Hey guys, welcome to my core workout. Today you're going to need a chair and a wall close by for when we do some squats. First we're starting with some crossover oblique crunches. Make sure that your back is firmly pushed down into the ground.
If you found the one, you should never give her up. I think it's the way life changes when in love, yeah. I surround my soul with the positivity. That's why I don't worry about the things that I don't see, yeah. These days I don't worry about much. I think we should have some more fun. I still dream about the days when we were young. I'll take a hit and still finish in one, yeah, yeah. Memory lane isn't that too far away from our hearts, yeah, yeah. The ones we keep close, we should never let go. So tell me who you love, baby. Take a moment to unwind.
Now you have 10 seconds to rest and prepare to repeat this exercise on the other leg.
Breathe slow, baby, yeah. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow, we should breathe slow, we should breathe slow. We should breathe slow,
Now you have a 10 seconds rest and time to take this position. Your legs should be in the tabletop position, meaning that your legs are a 90-degree angle from your body. Now you have 1 minute of alternating toe taps, bringing one leg at a time down to the floor and back to the tabletop position. Keep the abdominals engaged and the back firmly pressed down to the ground. Your shoulders should be slightly lifted off the ground in a crunch position. Now you have 10 seconds to rest and come to a standing position. Your feet should be hip width apart in a parallel position. Now we have 1 minute of the inchworm with a push-up. As you walk the hands forward, keep the back nice and long. When you prepare to do the push-up, make sure that the hands are directly below the shoulders. As you come down to the push-up position, remember not to come down too far and arch the back. Remember to stay in the perfect plank position. Now it's time to grab your chair and prepare for our Bulgarian split squats. 1 minute of Bulgarian split squats. Keep the abdominals engaged, keep the back lifted, and make sure when you squat that the knee doesn't push forward in front of the toes. Keep that 90-degree position in every squat. Shoulders pressed down and maintain consistent breathing. Now you have a 10 seconds rest and get ready to repeat the exercise on the other leg. Now take your 10 seconds rest and go to a wall and take this position. When you're in this squat position, you must remember to keep the 90-degree angle of the legs, meaning that the knees don't push forward in front of the toes. Keep the abdominals engaged at all times, and as you can see, my back is pressed along the wall. There's no arching and no space between my back and the wall. Keep the shoulders pressed down and maintain consistent breathing. Your feet should be positioned at hip width apart, pointing in front. Good job guys, that's the first circuit completed. Now you have 30 seconds to rest and we're going to repeat it all again. One minute of crossover oblique crunches. Remember to keep good posture, good alignment, abdominals engaged, and lift up to touch the toe. And take your 10 seconds rest. Prepare to repeat on the other side. Now you have 10 seconds to take the tabletop position. One minute of alternating toe taps. Remember to keep your shoulders lifted off the mat. Now you have 10 seconds to rest and take a standing position. One minute of inchworms with a push-up. Grab your chair and get ready for 1 minute of Bulgarian split squats. Now you have 10 seconds to rest and change leg. 10 seconds to take a squat position against a wall.